ooh, I'm pumped. This has got to be my favorite event of the year to deliver, and you're invited. It's called Make It Big 2021. You can just go to makeitbig2021.com to be able to check it out. For the last 10 years at Dent, we've been helping entrepreneurs accelerate their journey and expand their brand. Many of them have gone on to win some of the most prestigious awards in the country. They've gone on to become international speakers. They've gone on to become best-selling authors. They've spoken at TED. The financial performance of their businesses has gone through the roof. Even through COVID, our clients are putting up their prices, they're hiring team. Basically, the promise of Make It Big 2021 is simple. If this is COVID, this is you. If you go to makeitbig2021.com, you'll see that there are 5 key areas I'm going to be focusing on in this 2-part event in early January. The first thing I'm going to do is really help you cut through the noise based on what I see to help you tune into the signal, to tune into the key trends that you really need to understand, not just if you want to succeed the next year, but if you want to thrive in the next decade. Number 2, I'm going to be deconstructing each of the 8 stages of the entrepreneur journey, because success is predictable. And once we orient you exactly where you are now, based on the data points, we'll be able to help you identify exactly the next steps you need to make to go to the next level. Number 3, I'm going to be focusing on what I've done and what I've helped hundreds of other business owners do to be able to escape the time trap. The key is transitioning from a business operator, where you're doing all the work, the chief cook and bottle washer, to being a business owner. And there's a big difference. Small business owners often get stuck in sales and marketing and operations and delivery, or they're just like herding cats and they've become a manager. You might be a good operator, but if you're selling time, that is the enemy in 2021. Of course, I'm going to be going through a specific strategy to becoming that go-to brand, that key person of influence in your industry, and simply by registering, you'll get yourself a free copy of the Key Person of Influence book sent to your door. And finally, I'm going to be taking you through step by step how to install a business performance system into your company or organization. Because here's the problem. Success requires the ability to influence. As you expand your brand, as your influence increases, so does complexity. Every new product, every new service, every new team member, all of a sudden more noise starts to accumulate on the inside of your business. So while influence leads to growth, growth leads to chaos, and chaos, ironically, reduces your ability to influence. The Dent performance system will show you how to unravel that catch-22. Make It Big is about expanding new value. It's about building a go-to brand, and it's about making sure that you're running the systems and processes that are going to allow you to get better every single quarter. So in the coming weeks, I'm going to be sharing some videos and key ideas that are going to go through the top 10 New Year's resolutions that you need to make if you want to make it big in 2021. There's only 3 things to do. Well, no, 4 things to do. The first is to register for the event. Bring your friends, come along, tell everyone. It's going to be cool. The next 3 things you got to do is real simple. Be brave, have fun. Let's go make a dent in the universe.